Hi guys, my name is Kay and I'm here to show you this 3-set of hard shell luggage. This is the set Macaroon and it's got this light blue, the light pink, and the light green, and they are so stunning and high quality. They all have locks, which is really cool. I'll show you how the zippers lock into here so you cannot open them unless you know the code. They have handles to hold on the side. They're all hard shell and they all have the same compartments in the middle, a big side with the strap on the right and then a big side on the left with a divider piece that has its own pocket in there. These are so high quality. They spin all the way around 360 degrees, so they're really easy to maneuver, super lightweight. They all have nice handles that you have to push the button to use so the handle won't fly out. Really nice. Literally every way. They're so cute. The smallest one is 20 inches, the medium one is 24 inches, and the large one is 28 inches, and they're all this beautiful colors in the hard shell. And that side handle, again, is so nice to grab them. I was gifted these for my honest review, but this is literally the nicest luggage that I've ever owned. Here's me showing you how the lock works, so you cannot unzip them unless you put in the right code. Absolutely love and highly, highly recommend.